Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone lag after the update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version and now your device is lagging, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage, and from here you have to simply delete some useless data from your device if the storage is full. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply go to apps, and from here remove all those apps which are useless for you as well. So guys, simply do this, and after this go back, and now you have to simply scroll it below and go to background app refresh, and from here turn off the background app refresh which you don't use the apps. So guys, if you don't use apps frequently, like your maps or your Instagram or your music, then you have to simply turn off background app refresh from here for those apps. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below and go to VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device as well. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply go back again and now scroll it below, and from here go to screen time, scroll it below and go to content and privacy restrictions and turn off the restrictions on your device as well. So guys, do this, and after this give a force restart to your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.